Namaskar. Whenever we sit to eat, we should fill only half of our stomach with food. 1/4 leave it for water and 1/4 leave it for gases which would be formed after fermentation. So now what do you mean by half stomach? Eat only that much so that next time when you sit for your meal, that is after 4 hours, you get hungry, and that's your quantity. Biologically, anatomically, you know that after every 4 hours food gets digested. Food is gone from stomach to small intestine and it's completely digested. So every 4 hours we are supposed to put food into our system. People usually avoid the snack time, or they eat so heavy snack that they are not hungry at dinner time. Sometimes people eat lunch so heavy that they are dull and lethargic and they can't even work properly. Half day is left, you are supposed to work well. You have to eat a nice light snacks so that you get hungry again at dinner. So try and see that you make a healthy snacks. Healthy snacks, whatever you eat, that food should have some value, nutrient value, and it is sattvic for your body. Your body should be able to give you a good amount of energy to go ahead with that other part of your day where you have to wind up your sessions and you have to do quite a lot of work. So try and learn these healthy snacks and definitely eat at snack time something so that you can carry over your day very well.
Namaste. Yoga recommends Mitaahara, which is eating in moderation. So whenever you feel hungry, you must eat, but in small quantities. There is a myth that snacks are unhealthy, but they are not if prepared in a correct way. So today I am going to share with you 3 such recipes of easy evening snacks. So today, first recipe that I am going to make is poha cutlet. So let's see what all are the ingredients that we need for poha cutlet. I have taken poha here. So you need to soak poha for some time. After you soak it for say 30 to 40 minutes, you need to rinse it couple of times and then drain it and keep it like this. A potato which is boiled and mashed, boiled carrot finely chopped, boiled French bean, this is also finely chopped, chopped coriander, small piece of ginger. We are going to use a pinch of turmeric, haldi, rock salt which is powdered, black pepper to add little spice, dry mango powder or amchur, roasted sesame seeds, roasted peanut powder and little bit of olive oil. Let's start with the recipe. Going to grab a bowl in which I'm going to make the mixture. Let's put the pan on the flame. Make sure it's very low because I'm just going to leave it and get on my mixture. Take the potato in a bigger bowl. You can easily pop, whenever you are hungry in the evening. Here I have only used the and kept here. 2 teaspoons of rice flour, urad dal flour, semolina or suji. Here's chopped green coriander, rock salt as per taste, roasted sesame seeds, white, and olive oil for greasing. Let's start with the recipe. I am going to take the appam pan here, put it on the gas. Make sure you keep the flame low. So till the time this gets heated up, I am going to make the batter. So let's grab a bowl, and the first thing is adding your boiled grated beetroot, rice flour, urad dal flour, 2 teaspoons of semolina or suji, half teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, rock salt for taste, the finely chopped fresh coriander. Let's give it a stir. Now we have to add some water in it to make batter. So we have to make batter which is of like a pouring consistency, should not be very liquid. So you have to make sure that you keep stirring it nicely so there are no lumps in it. So let's check the consistency, see how it's looking. To make it a little fluffy, I am going to add ENO in it. Let's give it a mix. The next step to this is oiling your appam pan. So it's pretty nice and hot already. Make sure you oil the appam pan nicely from all the sides. Let's start to pour the appam batter. So I've taken a tablespoon here. Okay. As we have added ENO in it, they are going to fluff out a little bit. The next step is to just cover it. And here's your delicious red velvet appam ready. So the third recipe is baked veggie ragi roll. Let's check what all are the ingredients we need for it. Ragi powder, wheat flour, fresh curd or dahi, boiled corn, red and yellow bell peppers, capsicum, tomatoes and chopped basil leaves, rock salt for taste, roasted sesame seeds. We are going to use pinch of turmeric. This is oregano. We have just picked few oregano leaves from the kitchen garden and just made this out of it, and then pepper to add the spice. Let's quickly start with the procedure. First, I am going to need warm water for kneading the dough. So I'm just going to take a container, add water to it. Let's put the flame on till the time the water is boiling. Let's quickly take 2 tablespoons of ragi powder, very high in calcium, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. I'm going to add roasted sesame seeds to it, a pinch of turmeric, rock salt as per taste. I usually add very less salt in the food, 1 teaspoon of olive oil to this. Let's check on the water. Okay, it has started to boil now. So this water is warm, so be very careful. Make sure your hands are clean. Start to knead the dough. Okay, now you see that it's like a nice dough is ready. We have to keep this aside. I'm going to start making the filling. Place the pan on the gas. Make sure it's on medium flame. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, the bell peppers, the capsicum and the tomatoes. You see the beautiful colors already. Let's saute the veggies. Add the basil leaves, pinch of oregano, pinch of pepper. It depends on your taste. If you like to keep it a little spicy, you can add extra. The rock salt. I am going to add the boiled corn in it. Aside and grab the serving plate. I'm going to take this out directly into my serving plate. This looks great, needs to be served immediately. And here's your healthy evening snack, baked veggie ragi roll ready. Now, these healthy evening snacks are ready. I would like to invite Hansaji and ask her to taste this and explain you the health benefits. Namaste ma, welcome.
Namaste.
Here it is.